Hi guys, welcome to another episode of our YouTube channel Flying Base. Thank you all for your wonderful comments and the previous videos, and as many of you requested, today I am going to show you tuna cutlet. Okay, for this I have taken two light meat tuna. You can take any brand as you want, and then I have got two eggs. I need to mix it. Then 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, a pinch of or half spoon of garam masala, and half spoon of pepper. I have chopped coriander leaves. I have 2 curry patta and 3 onions. Actually 3 is not required, I'm not going to use all of them. And I've got some breadcrumbs here. Then 2 potatoes already boiled. I just need to mash them, and ginger and garlic, and 2 green chilies. Guys, this is a bit hot. You have to just boil it. I have taken almost 2 to 3 whistles in a small cooker. It depends upon the size of the cooker. This is just mashing these potatoes. This is usually we use this one for what is that called, pav bhaji, to mix that curry, you know. Okay, now the pan is already heated. I'm just going to add 3 spoon of oil. I'm using coconut oil here. You can use any cooking oil. Here I'm going to add adding garlic also. Just adding some onions. Okay, I'm using only 2 onions here. Okay, just to make sure the onions are evenly cooked, I'm just going to add some salt here. Okay, now it's almost half cooked, I believe. So I'm going to add the chili, green chili. I'm going to bring. Okay, let me add some turmeric for this one. The onion is already fried now. Then I'm going to add the coriander powder. I forgot to inform you earlier, we have to add some meat masala for this one. Either you can add fish masala or any meat masala. This is pepper and garam masala, and I'm going to add 2 spoons of meat masala. Let's give a gentle stir until that raw smell is gone, and after that we'll see what next. And I'm adding also half teaspoon of chili powder. And this chili powder, you make sure how much spice you need. Depending on that you have to add. I'm just adding just 1/2 spoon. Add the curry leaves and coriander leaves, and after adding this you don't have to cook it. We're just going to add now add the mashed potato for this. Just going to mix it. Now the flame is in very low, or the gas is very low. That's it, you just mix it and done. Okay, once you mix it, you need to just add little breadcrumbs to this, not all, just to maintain that consistency. Okay guys, now this is ready. and we need to just heat up the tuna. For that I'm just going to take one tawa and I'm just going to add a little bit of oil so that it doesn't get burned. And the tawa is already heated up. So this is a different way of making this tuna, or else the other way is that last time what we did is that we just, before adding the potato and the breadcrumbs, we just use the same masala. So we just wanted to try a different way. So now this is, once this, we don't need to boil it too much, just because this is already ready to eat tuna. So I'm just going to heat it up in a pan with some oil. So okay, now this is already warmed up, heated, and I'm going to shift it to very hot. Okay, now I'm going to mix it. We have to mix it properly. It's a bit hot, but still we have to do it while it is still hot. So guys, this is already done. Now now let it just cool for 2 or 3 minutes. Meanwhile we'll go to the next process. Now this is the hardest part. We need to get in shape. So this is the last part. Okay. Okay guys, now this is what we're going to do. Guys, I think this is done. There is no need to flip it because it's already dipped in the oil. You can just see this. Okay, it's good. You should be careful while taking because it might break open. So guys, I have remaining some egg. So just I thought of putting some onion and just making an omelette. Okay guys, so not to waste anything, I'm just making it an omelette. So guys, our cutlet is ready here. So I need to taste it using the ketchup. Okay, it's come out good. So you may be wondering what I'm going to do with this one. Tomorrow I'm going to take it to the office. My colleagues, after watching the video, definitely they will ask for this one. So anyway, thank you guys. Try to do this cutlet, and if you like it, share it with others and let me know of your comments in the comments box below. So guys, eat healthy, stay safe, live long. Bye bye.